Hey bosses, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Natalie and I'm the owner of True Co Styles online clothing boutique. I'm also a business strategist and a coach where I teach aspiring entrepreneurs how to launch and then grow their online businesses. I started my business in 3 weeks, you guys. Okay, in 3 weeks I started my online boutique, and within those 3 weeks, you guys, I spent 300 hours. Okay, 300 hours on my couch with my laptop in my lap, not going anywhere for that amount of time, and literally just doing research on research on research. I bought so many books, so many legal books on the legal process. You guys know that I started my boutique in 3 weeks and I went ham, okay, building my business, and 8 months later I was matching my salary at my job and I was out of there. You guys, I've been sitting at my computer for the past 5 hours. I've spent all of my Saturday, but it really didn't feel that bad because it was from 3 to 8. That's like a decent, you know, it wasn't bad at all. I had a great time, but I've been sitting here for the past 5 hours, and can you guess what I've been doing? I've been working for you all, you guys. So I decided to sit here today and just pour out information for all of you guys, and I did it in a way that you guys are able to go and get what you want. So I sat down today and I recorded some videos, I created some ebooks, and I just created some resources for all of you to be able to dive deeper in your business building process, for boutique owners, for e-commerce owners, for lash owners, for people who want to get on YouTube, whatever it is that you're wanting to do in your business. Right now, a lot of things that I learned, you know, with launching and with even growing and expanding my business, I've poured it out, you guys, for all of you. So do you guys want to know what I created? I'm gonna like put it right here for you guys to see, and let me kind of just talk about some of the things that you guys will find, and it's available now, so I'll leave the link down below. You guys can get access to it, but stay tuned, you guys, because I have a special announcement at the end of this video, so stay tuned, don't leave me yet. So anyways, I've created a resource, you guys, if you want to learn how to create your custom apparel. So you guys know I have my Fearless t-shirts. I always tell my subscribers how creating these t-shirts, here's another one, you can see it in the flesh, my favorite color, but these t-shirts just brought me so much more business. It helped my business stand out as anything custom will, and so I really wanted to dive deep into how I prepared my audience. First of all, how I even created a custom audience for this custom t-shirt so that they would sell when they launched. I talked about how I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create that custom audience from scratch, how to create your custom apparel from scratch, how to design, how to find someone to do it for you, and how to make money before you even spend money. Okay, so check that out down below. I also have a resource for how to create your own website step by step. So this is for those who have no idea how to even start creating their boutique's website, but want to know, like, how can I do it on my own without having to actually hire a graphic designer, right? I also, drum roll, you guys, so for y'all on here who are like me, who have a voice, who want to use your voice to make impact and to influence and to change lives and to change that bank account, honey, and make money, I created a resource called the 4 T's to making money on YouTube. So I'll be teaching you guys everything that I did to be able to go from 30 subscribers to 1,500 subscribers in 3 months, and how I became a YouTube partner, honey. Okay, I also have the ultimate branding and social media guide. I tell you guys all the time that it's not a social media issue. Really, most times it's a branding issue. Branding is the beginning to all of your marketing problems. And so before I can even teach you guys social media marketing, which I will in that resource, I also go deep into branding, helping you guys determine like what is your branding. And I don't mean like your pretty colors, your logo, and your name, although I give you tips on how to create your name and all of that, but you know, it's really deeper than that. It's who your target audience, who are you targeting in your business. So long story short, I can go on and on and on and on and on about all these amazing things, but y'all, it is time for y'all to either launch or grow your existing business, and I'm super excited to help you guys in that process. So down below, you guys can check out all of my new pretty shiny resources that I spent 5 hours on. Okay, I know it's gonna be, if you work with me, if you watch my videos, if you come to my lives, if you've coached with me before, or if you're in one of my courses, you know that I do not hold back on information, and this is like a one all be all. Everything is there, no holding back. On each topic I go in and give you everything I know. Some of the resources will be videos, some of them will be ebooks, some of them will be a mix of those. So just dive deep into those resources, and I cannot wait for you guys to enjoy those. Now there is one even called Pick My Brain, for those of you who like, okay, I bought this resource but I still need more assistance on something else. You guys can pick my brain, and there's a resource for that as well. So are you guys ready for the announcement? Drum roll, please. So the announcement is, you guys, I will be doing a 48-hour boutique resource sale. So for the next 48 hours, that is only 2 days, you guys. Y'all better get it together. Be ready when it happens. I will be doing an exclusive boutique resource sale. This will begin tonight at 11:59 p.m. so get your clocks ready, get everything ready, you guys, because only for 48 hours, and after that all of the prices will be back up to the original and they will not go back on sale. So are you guys ready? If you're not, get ready. Go click on the link right now, go see which ones you want and add them to your carts. And at tonight, 11:59 p.m. tonight is August 3rd, so if you're watching this on the 4th, hurry up. Watch this on the 5th, time's almost up. But tonight, August 3rd, 11:59 p.m. these will go on sale, and they will be on sale until August 5th, okay, 11:59 p.m. You do not want to miss out on this. I've downloaded so many things, bought so many books on marketing. You guys, I did so much research and I poured everything out into these resources, guys. So if you guys are wanting to create multiple streams of income, I tell you in some of these resources how to create multiple streams of income. When it comes to the Shopify one, even with the YouTube one, and with the custom t-shirt line one, you guys, I'm giving you guys all the keys, all the steps to build an empire. Okay, this is not time for just a small little boutique. It is time to build, to expand, to grow, and to be bossing it. Okay, so this is for all of my boutique bosses, all of my business entrepreneurial bosses. It's time to stop playing. It's time to get with it. Set your clocks, don't be late, don't miss out, and I will see you guys tonight at the sale. Grab your resources while you can before time is up. All right, see you guys in my next video. Bye, bosses.